Good evening, all of you. The last session, formatting tags we discussed, and after that, what is block line and what is inline. The very last explanation about the block level tags and inline tags. Moving to the next explanation. Head section also I'm going to starting parallelly. Last three examples we worked with the body section. Once again I'm repeating the point. Body section is specially used for designing purpose. What are the data you want to display on the web page or which page you want to design? Designing related, the complete code comes under the body section. The complete code comes under the body section. A page related, if any settings are available, those goes to the head section. Settings all goes to head section. Designing part is comes under the body section. Just a minute.
Hello.
Okay, see the next one. So body inside we have to place the designing part or displaying of the content like that. Now we are moving to some settings part also. The settings part comes under the head section. The page related internal information or page related any linking operations, that all the things comes under the head section. So we are moving to the first setting of our web page, title. I want to set the title for my web page. So how to set the title and what is the title we'll see currently. But title not displaying on the web page. It's the internal setting of the web page. See, this is once our browser. Previous programs outputs. This is our yesterday's program. But the white color area is there, that is called as our web document or web page. The white color portion is called as the web document or web page. And if you want to print anything on this white color area, that should be designed in body section only. If you want to print or if you want to display anything on this white color area, that related code must be designed in body section only. Next, the white color page related any settings if you require, that code comes under the head section. So headed to body, that is the difference. But yesterday we already displayed these all the messages, right? These all the tags where we developed in body or in header? In body only, that is the thing. I don't want to display on the web page, sir, but I want to do something special in background, sir. Then shift to head section. So in head section, we have some settings related or metadata or linking operations. Basically, head section we use it for the three purposes. One for settings, the page settings. Second for linking purpose. And the third one for metadata operations. Settings about your web page or linking about your web page or metadata of your page. Metadata of your page. That all information comes here. But designing part doesn't comes inside the head. Designing part 100% doesn't comes inside the head. So what I am going to doing now, sir, linking settings I am going to performing. I want to make some settings to my web page. Which is settings, sir? First title I want to set to web page. What is this title concept? This is our browser. Open some websites, either Flipkart and Facebook. Next Naresh IT. So here I open some 3 websites, and every website opens in our a separated tab, right? Every website opens in the separate tab. If you observe the tabs once, we have some message there. Small letters, I'll magnify it. If you observe the tab, some messages available. Online shopping site for mobiles, electronics, furniture, something. And Facebook login or sign up screen. And here, a best online training institute as well as the best software training institute. What is all these things, sir? These called as titles. Titles. Every web page, it contains their own title. How many pages available? That number of titles are available. Titles for web page, not for the website. Website doesn't contain any title. Website, it contains the only name. That name is called as domain. Web pages doesn't contain any domain. They contains the titles. So my website contains the 20 pages, sir. 20 titles required. Every page one title separate, sir. 1:1 ratio. I think you know that one. Website is a collection of web pages. So every website inside minimum 1 page available, maximum no idea. I have 100 pages in my website, sir. 100 pages, so 100 titles compulsory. The first page title we already given, sir. So it's carry forwarding to next page, sir. 100% no chance, sir. First page title automatically coming to second page. Second page title automatically applying to third page. It never happens. Yesterday batting completed, well again today kada, well tomorrow again, but yesterday you did the 3 times kada, and today stop it. No, why? So every day batting separate only. So yesterday first page, today second page, tomorrow third page. First page title separate, second page title separate, third page title is separate. Like that, how many pages we have, that number of titles required. So how to set these titles? Part of the header section. The title setting comes inside the header section. And what is the tag name, sir? Tag name is also title. Every page contains title. Yes, sir, 100%. We are never seen, sir. Maybe you are not observed. We are busy with operations on the website. Busy with the chatting, sharing, liking, commenting for shopping, etc. These settings observation, that much of free time you have as a normal user? Really? No, gada. So normal users, that much of free time not available, right? Flipkart you open. Why you open? Observing of titles, observing of offers. Offers. We are busy with offers only. Zomato or Swiggy we open. For what purpose? Batting Baba. So what are the items available? What is the prices? That we are busy. Not about the titles. So see that the Flipkart's home page. You also knows, right? And click on the mobiles. Mobiles page open. Observe the title. Change it or not? Huh? Sound. Sound. Previously here we have some online shopping, groceries, something available. Now we'll get the title for mobile phones, online at best prices in India. This is second page. Now I'm going to selecting some Realme, sir. Realme products are going to opening. Observe same. Again change the title. Mobiles price list. Compare mobiles by online at something. Next, Realme Narzo 50A. Open this one. Observe the title once again. What is title? Railway Mark. How many pages we traveled? 4 pages. We have 4 titles. Like that, every page they have individual title. So these titles I want to set my examples also. What is the title for our previous examples, sir? Last 3 examples we have not used any title, but something title is there. Just see that. What is our title? Example 1, ex1.html. And your program name, it becomes as a title for your web page. When I run the second example, sir, ex2.html, it will comes. ex1, no, ex2, ex3, I don't want, sir. I need my own names. Use the title concept. Simple thing. So, title is the tag. It is used for changing of the titles. This is here what I explained up to now. So title is the tag name. This tag used to set the individual titles for pages. So what is the nature of this tag, sir? It's a pair tag. Opening, closing compulsory required. And the second one, title tag must be the sub tag of head tag only. If I use outside the head tag, what happens, sir? It works. Even if you use outside the head tag, it works, but not right way. The procedure one, we have one systematic approach here. As per the systematic approach, writing title tags outside the head, wrong option, but program executing. Reasons are HTML, no rules and regulations, only suggestions. This is also just now we discussed a website, 10 pages each, 10 one title, total 10 titles. And this is the syntax. Open title tag, some text, close the title tag. So if I set the 2 titles for the same page, what happens, sir? It doesn't accept. Intentionally for testing purpose. 2 times I used the title in the same program in the same page. What is the browser reaction, sir? First title accepting, sir. Second title rejecting, sir. First one, first service process. So title, A, B, C. What is the final title of my web page, sir? A only, not C. Generally we are thinking C, sir. Programming impact on our brains. In our programming pattern, first value, second value, third value. Finally our programming language speaks the third value only. Because second is overriding first one, third is overriding second one. So for last given value is the final value. In languages, last which value we given, that becomes as a final value. But HTML is not programming language. That's a first title only it will take it, second title not taking. No overriding concepts. But C or Java or .NET, if you assign the same value multiple values to the same variable, sir. Multiple values to the same variable. What is the final value? The last assigned value is the final. But here, the first assigned value is the final, not last one. So, the unnecessary things, sir, better don't go for the multiple titles. 1:1. Eki Ram, Eki Sita. That's all. See the example. Title. Write something here and close the title. Save this program with example 4.html. Go to the browser. Example 4.html. Observe the title. The SD as something I typed together. The same thing we got as a title. In the title tag, what we typed, the same we got it here. A meaningless title, sir. Write meaningful title. As just given my first web page. Save. Go to the browser. Refresh. This is the title. The next program, sir. Next program again you have to use one more title. Like that, how many programs you are developing? For every program, separate title required. By chance, if you are not given the title, it takes the default title. What is the default title? Our program name. Example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5. That name is takes automatically. See that the second title also I'm going to using here. So second title, yes, title close. So for the single page, how many titles are given here, sir? 2 titles. But final title is my first web page only. This becomes waste and browser not activated this code. Really, yes, sir. Now check it. I just refreshed and reloaded, same title. I want to change the order, sir. Now you can change the order. I'm shuffling these two. Now all yes becomes as your first title. Refresh. Working on auto, we have clear picture now. Next, second setting, sir. Title over, now second setting. So when you go for Flipkart or any of the other web pages, the title before one small icon is available. Observe here. Generally those called as logo. Every organization, every company, every institute they have, even your colleges also they have the logos. So like that Flipkart logo, yellow color bag on that F symbol. But Facebook logo, circle inside F symbol. Naresh IT logo, NIT symbol. Because this is Naresh IT logo. Like that, I want to set my own logo for my web page, sir. Yes, sir, we have already default logo. Observed here. The Windows default icon. Some just file icon. White color box, some folding is there. No? That is the file icon in Windows operating system. That icon I want to replace with my own logo. 100% possible. How, sir? A separate tag is there. The tag is a link tag. That is also setting it. I'm setting the logo. I'm setting the title. So logo, how to set that information I'm going to sharing now.
ఎప్పుడు
The link is another tag. It is used to set the icon or logo for your web page.
చెప్పింది నేను మళ్ళీ
We can call as a logo, sir. We can call as icon also, sir. Regular pronunciation logo, programming pronunciation icon. Icon is nothing but in a small picture. Icons mean small pictures. But just a minute. The desktop, you know, all of you. There we have the small pictures. What is those all are? Icons. So icon is nothing but a small picture. To set the icon for your web page or to set the logo for your web page, use this link tag. And what is the nature of this link, sir? It's an unpaired tag. Opening available, closing not available separately. Next, link tag must be the subtag of the head tag. Link tag must be subtag of the head tag. A few minutes back I said one point. Title tag we can use outside the head section also. It's working, but procedure is not correct, I said. Here different explanation. Link tag we can't use outside the head section. By chance if I use it, sir, it doesn't executes. It doesn't works. Link tag should be used inside the head only. We can't use in body section. By mistake or accidentally if you place in the body section, sir, the tag not executed by the browser. It's compulsory to follow here. Next, what is the syntax, sir? This is the syntax of the link tag. Link followed by rel equals to icon space href equals to file name and slash tag close. Single tag kada, immediately it is closing, sir. What is this link? What is this rel? What is this href, sir? Coming to that only. Link is the name of the tag. Like as title, h1, h2, paragraph. It's a tag name. What is the purpose of this tag, sir? Basically, link tag we use it 2 to 3 purposes, sir. One is for setting of the logos. Second one, linking to external libraries. External libraries means external programs. Example, your CSS, external CSS files available. I want to link up to this one, sir. Bootstrap files available. I want to link up to my HTML program, sir. We are using basically this link tag. Then like that multi-purpose tag. This is the multi-purpose. Title tag only for title purpose. Paragraph tag only for paragraph display. NPSP only for space only. That's all. But link tag for linking of the Bootstrap files, for linking of the CSS files, for linking of the icons. Multi-purpose available. So when you are using the tag, browser getting a small confusion here. I just used the link tag. Browser understanding. What understanding? Developer, they want to do something. But what is the something? No idea to browser. Why is suddenly the doubt is comes? Because you are the multi-purpose tag. Currently or right now, for which purpose you are using this tag? The developer knows. Who designs the code, that person knows. But browser unable to understand. Reason? Link tag purpose, what I explained? Only one point or couple of points? Couple of points. I am designing this code. For what purpose I am designing this tag, I know. Then only I am starting program typing. But how browser understanding my feeling? I am going to linking the Bootstrap files, I am going to linking CSS files, or I am going to setting the logo now. You are the browser. Guess my feeling? Why I started that line? Possible, Suppose I have some paragraph tags, sir. As a developer, I started paragraph tags, sir. Browser, they have full clarity or confusion? Clarity. So Shivakumar typing this one for printing of paragraph only, because it doesn't perform other operations. Same clarity available in link? No. So as a developer, I have to inform to browser. Currently or right now, this tag I am using for the so and so purpose. What is that purpose, sir? Rel. Rel equals to icon. That is the meaning of that one. So rel full forms are relative. Rel full form is relative. In that relative, for what purpose you are using this tag, we have to inform. Or which operation you want to perform, write that operation. So I want to set the icon. So I am setting icon. No, sir, I want to link up to CSS file, sir. Oh, okay, you can write here style sheet. Another purpose, another scenarios. So I'm going to linking my HTML program to CSS concept or Bootstrap concept. That cases we are writing something differently like that. So that second word is giving the clarity what you are doing. Now browser, they have the clarity. One clarity comes, but second question still pending. So Shivakumar, they typed this line for setting of the icon. Okay. Now next question, browser question. Who is your icon? Where is your icon? Icon is nothing but a picture. Image, a small image is called as the icon. So what is the name of your image and where is the location of that image? That information not available. And that is the next option. href, hyper reference, nothing but an address of your image. href is nothing but an href full form, hyper reference. Full form is hyper reference. What is the simple meaning, sir? Write the location of your source. Where is your source? A source complete information required. Simple terminology, address of your image, C:// something/ we are writing, that is called as the address. That address we have to write. within double quotations. File name with complete address. Now what we have to do, browser they have the clarity, and where is your image, the location is also available. Within these guidelines, your logo setting in the top of the to tab. That is generally matter. The programming explanation, sir. This is programming explanation. Next, some small groundwork. Any type of images we can set as a logos, sir. Yes, sir, but some suggestions are available. First priority for images is ICO images. First priority, if you want to set anything as a logo or icon, prefer the ICO pictures. Is one type of image, sir. If ICO not possible, sir, second priority go for the PNG. PNG supported almost in all softwares. PNG also not possible, sir. Better go for the PMP. The rest of models, some compatibility problems available with browsers. These are the 100% of browsers supported. ICO, PNG, the universal models, sir. The rest of models, when you are going JPG, GIF, TIFF, GIF, something, sir. Some browsers are supporting, some browsers not supporting. Why risk? Go for universal models. But ICO best, sir. ICO extreme level. ICO full form icon. ICO full form is icon. What we are doing currently? Setting of the icon, matching. Then we can go for this one, sir. Problem, we are unable to create the images with icon extension. ICO extension doesn't comes in our software. I want to create any image with ICO extension, sir. Photoshop software required. Known a name of Photoshop, one of the multimedia software coming from Adobe company, used by our TTP centers. Mana photos modified in Photoshop only. Your marriage photos, your engagement photos, while taking all perfectly not comes kada. The patch up is going on. That is done in the Photoshop software only. Simple. Next month your marriage, wedding card you want to prepare it kada. That also prepared in the Photoshop only. So the multimedia softwares are DTP centers outside mana printers available kada. Offset printers, ABC printers, they are going to using that software. But that software not available in our system. What we have, paintbrush available? Paintbrush. In our computers, paintbrush is there or not? Windows operating system, paintbrush compulsory. Without paintbrush, Windows not comes. In that paintbrush, we can create all these images except the ICO. In paintbrush, we can create the PNG pictures, PMP, GIF, etc., etc. So better go for the paintbrush, create your own logo and set that as your web page. One option. I don't have any knowledge to create my own logo, sir. Google Mataji is there, na? Free downloads of icons. If you search it, sir, cages of icons are comes. So copy or download one of the icon, set to your program. Simple thing. Next one, the first information, sir. And the second information, sir. Second information, size of the image. Don't exceed these sizes, sir. These are the prescribed and preferable sizes. 40 pixels by 40 pixel image size, width 40, height 40. Otherwise 30 by 30, 20 by 20 or 18 by 18. 18 by 80, 20 by 20, super, sir. 30 by 30, okay. 40 by 40, okay. If you go for more size, sir, no use. Problem, sir, image clarity reducing. Title bar, while displaying of your logo, clarity reducing, sir, blurriness comes. Contrast also reducing. Reason, sir, in title bar for displaying of your icon, you have only 1 centimeter space. Observe once. How much space they are giving for us? a kilometer space available. See that you can check any website. Maximum 1 centimeter available. In that 1 centimeter, you should be fit the picture. 1 centimeter under how much, sir? This much. So preferable size highest 40 by 40. Our photos available. General size how much? Our photos, sir. Mobiles we are taking photos together. Our photos general size how much? 800 by 600. The least size. 800 pixels by 600 pixels least size nowadays cameras. If you go for, sir, 1000 by 800, 1200 by 900, 1400 by 800, 2200 by 1200, 2800 by 1600 photos also available. Galaxy series, Samsung Galaxy series. 2800 pixels by 1600 pixels. What photo size, sir? You're taking what photo cutout size available. Every photo we have one size. That sizes are measured in the pixels format. Nowadays cameras least to medium size 600 by 800 size. Long back aithe cameras that much of quality not available. 600 by 400 also available. But nowadays all are 15 or 18 or 20, 100 megapixels. Century also we reached already. That photos not correct. Reason my preferable size, see that one and check your photo size. You will get the clear picture. I am saying about highest 40 by 40 pixels. But your photo 800 by 600 photos. In 40 by 40 place 800 by 600. How you can place it, sir? Reducing. When you are reducing, what happens? Clarity gone, blurriness, shades, etc. etc. These guidelines, sir. Basic guidelines. Next, image where we have to maintain, sir. My logo, my image, where I have to maintain, sir. Actually, anywhere we can maintain in the system, sir. But suggestion is better inside your project folder. And where the HTML programs we are saving, in the same location, maintain your logo also. The best option. HTML program one place, logo another place, sir. Addresses problems are comes. So without any address problems, if you want to deal the program, both should be in the same location. HTML program, logo, both in the same folder. Direct interaction is comes, sir. Now I'm showing how to download the logo from Google and how to set our picture. So go to Google. Icon images are these all are icons only. So many icons are there. Go for one of the icons, sir. Anything. Huh? Copyright issues generally not come, sir. Reason we are not deploying into internet kada. Our testing examples kada. Really we are not going to posting into www kada. Because so many is there. French fries, cake, we'll take some this sun. We are rising kada, future rising persons. This is, sir. PNG, SVG, ICO is there na here. Extensions, see that one. PNG format, SVG format, ICO formats. What we prefer. Directly ICO extension is there. We can download that one. What's the other? Downloaded, sir. We'll check it once. App problem. A supported software not available and it's showing. But picture is downloaded. Icon extension size 67 KB. the memory size. Okay, I'll go for the PNG because of the downloaded picture. We can set to program it displaying directly. We'll check it once. Where it is downloaded, sir? In downloads folder it is downloaded. So copy the complete address. This is our picture. I'm simplifying that file name. sun.ico. Location, sir. Location, it's a very long location available. c:/user/shivkumar/downloads. This is what I said, it's a risky processor. Link relative equals to icon, href equals to /sun.ico. Close this. So what I suggested, sir, instead of placing outside the locations like that, copy this picture and maintain inside your folder. Inside our folder means, sir, this HTML program we are saving in so and so folder kada. Copy that picture also into that folder. That's the better option. Okay, we'll test it, it's working or not. Picture downloaded and we are going to refreshing. We got it. Because sun no. Our title and our sun. Displaying else, sir. So this is downloading procedure. This is the sun. Instead of this, copy this picture and place into your folder. Our HTML 6pm folder is there now here. Place here. But now our program is this one. Example 4. Icon is this one. Both available in the same location. But address writing not required. We can directly write the file name. But it becomes easier also for use. So back to program. This title I am removing. Now this total nuisance not required. Write simply like this. How browser knows, sir? Current working location, sir. This current working HTML program, that image both in the same place. So browser automatically recognizing that one. Still we'll get the same output with small change. My first page and the sun rising. But this is downloading from the Google and using for us. If it is real website, sir, before using like that, please check it once.